Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Cubes MC. Today we are going to create a Minecraft server. So first
Login on mindful.com or you want to sign up.
So you either want to click the sign in button or the get started free button. So I already have an account, so I'm gonna sign in. So type in your logins, check remember this device and click sign in. Then you want to click create server and you can type the name of your server. It can be any name or it can just get a suggestion. And you can choose many templates or you can just do a default server. So you can do a Skygrid, Hardcore, Creative Void, Parkour or Skyblock. For the sake of this video, I'm going to just do a Parkour Spiral. And you need to agree to the Minecraft EULA. Create. After you check create, now you want to go to plugins and you can install any plugins here you want. These are the backups and files. So in the overview, you can also change the name of your server. If you go back again, you can click manage and you can appearance and change the name of your server. So you can change it to Swordtail Parkour. And you can also change the server MOTD. So you can use color codes like this. So and C and L, that makes it orange. Or you can do like that. And then you can do join parkour. And you need to click save and save. The category, you can also change that. So let's change the category to adventure. And you can change whether it's visible or not. You can also add sub-users. You can change the properties of your server, the files, the plugins. So all servers need world edit. So you want to go on, you can search world edit and you can click install on any of the plugins. So to start your server, just click start server. You can also check allow bedrock if you want bedrock. So click start server. Then you want to start your Minecraft like that. So you want to start your Minecraft, and then once your server is started, then you can join it. So you want to go to multiplayer and then click direct connection. And now it's started. You can search swordtailparkour.mindfort.com. All of the servers are .mindfort.com. So now that we're on our server, we can see the parkour. And you can do /pl to see the plugins. And you can do the parkour. You can also OP yourself by going to here and do OP, then your Minecraft name. So my Minecraft name is LexLuthor84. Enter. Now you can do /game mode creative. And there we go. Now you are in this creative mode. And this parkour map, it also has a button and you can change it and it looks really cool. Parkour Paradise, Parkour Paradise 2, and this one as well. And the cool thing is you can also add more maps and you can build. So bye guys. So bye guys, that's all for today. Bye, please subscribe to my channel.